you're still using multiple AI tools to generate your AI movies like this, then you're doing it the hard way. I actually generated this AI movie with Sedance 2.0 and it's super easy to use. Like one prompt and the movie is ready. You can do text to video, image to video, multi-shot, video to video. Like I tell you, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let me walk you through on how to actually generate your AI movies and stories and be happy. Let's go, people. So first thing first, you open your browser and you type OpenArt AI. So once you type OpenArt AI, this is what you get. You open and you actually register with your Gmail account. Once you register with your Gmail account, this is the interface you get, all right? This is how it looks like. Easy and simple to use. You can use this on your laptop and you can use this on your phone. Now, on this tool, we have lots of features to use. And today, I'll be walking you through the Sedance 2.0. Like, this is massive, guys, all right? And I'll start by teaching you on how to do your text to video because I know this is the worry of a lot of people. So click on Sedance 2.0. Once you click on it, it opens like so. Voila. Now you have it here. You can actually see there it says type freely, combine reference assets, and generate a video. So what do you do right here? Where it says you should type, click there and type your prompt. All right. So I already have a sweet prompt prepared and this is it. Now I'll put this prompt in here. Once you put in your prompt, just swap up. Okay. Because now I'll be teaching you on how to do the text to video. So you see text and you get a perfect video. Now I'll go down here and then you click here where it says output. Just click there. So you'll be able to actually choose the dimension you want for your video. If you're using it for TikTok, for any other app, you can use the 9.16. And for YouTube, you already know 16.9. Okay. So here you choose resolution. You'll be choosing the high resolution at 7.20p. And then you get to choose how many seconds you want your video to be. Okay. 15 seconds, 10 seconds, 12 seconds, depending on you. So this point, I'll actually choose the 10 seconds. Okay. So once you put in this, all you need to do is come down here where it says generate and then you generate your video. So let's see how this is going to come out. Like, I want to see the outcome of this video because trust me, if you've used Sedance 2.0, you know they're mad. Their videos, oof. The quality of these videos, like, let's just do this. Let me show you the outcome of this, like how you can do your text to video, and then we move to the next feature and how to generate your videos step by step. Once your video is done generating, I'll click here. Just up here, click there, and then it takes you to your library where you have videos. Now I'll click, and then let's watch this video, okay?
Mary did not live like other girls. Do not fear me. I hear what the forest is saying. I'm here to protect my people in the village.
Oh my gosh. Can you see this? Like, I told you Sedance 2.0 is mad. Like, can you see what this feature is actually giving you? Just save this video and then use it. Now, do you know on this same Sedance 2.0, yeah? What you need to do is you can actually bring in an image and turn your image into video as well, which means it is not just the text to video. It's giving you the image to video as well. So let's try it out. Let me show you how it works. Let me show you how to do that as well. Now, once you come up here, where you see add visual reference, okay? There it has optional. You can just click there to add your visual reference. Now you have upload media, you have characters. Guess what? If you click on upload media, it brings you here. You can actually take images from your phone, which means if you click on creations is the images you've created yourself, right? And then you go to upload. If you click on upload, these are images you upload yourself as well. So these are some images that I uploaded myself, okay? You can choose any of these. And if you want to choose directly from your phone, just click on upload an image, which is right beside here. Click on it, and then it takes you to your camera roll where you click and then you go to your camera and upload an image, right? So let's say I choose an image from my camera roll, bring it in. Now you have that video coming in like that, okay? And once it is done uploading, you can actually type anything you want that image to do. Trust me, yes. So we have our image right here. Now I'll click on the image. Click on the image because this is the image we want to use. So we have the image right here. That is the image right there. Now what you need to do is just describe what you want that image to do, okay? Right now, I'll just put this prompt. You can type the simplest prompt that you want to type. Any prompt of your choice, just type, okay? Then you come down here If you actually want to change the dimension, go to output and change the image dimension, and then put the video duration to 6 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, but I'll be leaving this to 6 seconds, okay? So let's leave that at 6 seconds. Now, when you're done doing that, all you come here to do is just to click on generate to generate this particular image, which means you want your image to video. All right. So I'll click here on generate, and then we wait for this to generate. You can see up there, our video is generating already. And when it's done, I'll show you how perfect our image to video works under the Sedance 2.0 feature. Okay, so our video is ready now. What we do is we click to check our video. Let's see. Click on that. Open.
I own the forest, and the forest listened to me. So I will keep you.
Wow, that's just an image. Wow, like this is just an image, right? Image to video. Like I told you guys, just text anything you want your image to do and you're good to go. Like you don't need to stress when it comes to this tool. Do you know what is even crazier? You can actually bring up your video here, and this tool will completely change this video for you. Same character, but different format of video. Do you know what that means? It means you can bring back your old stories to life with this tool. Let me show you. Now, where it says the visual, add visuals and reference, just click there, okay? Where it says upload media, same thing. You click on upload your media, then you click, okay, video. Now you're uploading video. Now, once you click on upload video, you have videos that you've generated on this app already. So you can use any of these videos that you've generated from this app. Like these are the videos I generated from this app. So I can click on them and use. But right now, I don't want to use this particular one. I want to show you that you can actually repurpose your old stories and spark them back to life. Okay, so at this point I'll be clicking on upload video, and then it will take me to my gallery. So let's click on upload video and then choose from photos or file, your choice. Okay, let's bring in a new video. All right, now once we bring in this video, we'll give it a different touch. Okay, so here you can actually see our video is uploading, right? The video is uploading. You have it here like this. Then I'll click on confirm. So you click on confirm, and then you wait for your video to actually upload up here. Once you have your video here, what you need to do is there it says type. Bro, just type. Type. If you have a new scene that you actually want to put into this video, you have a new scene, entirely a new scene that you want to change this video to, which will be leaving you with the same character, put it here. Okay, so let's just say here I'll type make the character walk around the forest. Okay, so here I just said make the character walk around the forest and pick some herbs with a happy dance. Like I just want her to have that small happy dance, you know, that kind of a thing. Now that's it. You choose your dimension again. You can always choose that dimension and change, and come here and also change duration. If you want it 10 seconds or any seconds, like I always say, and then you have it like that. Then you just come here and you click on generate, and you wait for your video to generate. So we are generating this, which is now video to video. Let's check out the video to video, how it comes out. Okay, so here, click on that. Oh my God. Guys, can you see this? Like we just used the same girl. So you all remember the first video, she was actually kneeling down with birds around her and animals. And this is actually, we changed it for her to walk around the bush, just cut herbs and then do a happy dance. This is perfect. Now, what is actually even more better when it comes to this app, you can get your consistent characters throughout all your scenes. Let me show you how to do that. Now you come back to your Sedance 2.0, okay? And what you need to do is you type your prompt to get your consistent character. Here, I'll type this prompt, okay? So I'll paste my prompt here for my consistent character thingy. Now, once you paste your prompt, you just click on generate again, right? You click on generate and wait for that to generate. Let's check out the first scene. Play that and see. Okay. All right. So this is our character right here. You can see the face, the skin and everything. All right. So let's regenerate this same character, different scene. All right. So at this point, I'll X this and I put the same prompt, just put the same prompt and you change your character location, okay? So you're using the same character description and you're just changing the location, which means if you've scene 1, it's actually a rooftop fighting, scene 2 is actually in the house, scene 3 is actually outside, your choice. So depending on how you're telling your story, right? This is how you use your consistent character here. So I'll click here again and do the generation and generate this one as well. So we'll get to compare the 2 images, the 2 videos, and see how the consistent character works. Super good. Okay, so yeah, the second video is ready right now. So let me show you. This is the second video. Let's watch this. Can you see the character? You see the character? Perfect. You see the first character that we created? So I'll put both characters side by side on the screen so you get to see what I'm talking about. The consistent character is top notch, okay? Consistent character is top notch on this app, like you don't play. So you see how the consistent character thing worked so smoothly. It was so perfect and so nice. Now, one of my sweetest moments on this tool is the multi-shots. Like the multi-shot, it is not just one clip. It builds a full scene like movie. You know, it gives you different camera angles, motions, and all that. Let me just put in a prompt here. Let me put in a prompt so we can actually, let me show you how it works, okay? The multi-shots, let me show you how it works. So once you put in your prompt right here, and you want to generate like a story, a movie, you know, and you want your scene to be all dramatic. You don't just want the half cut kind of videos. You want your one video that you're generating, it has this particular scene with maybe one section fighting, motion, camera angle, you know, the drone shots and all that. You get everything in one. So at this point, I'll actually put this to 15 seconds. I'll generate this video to 15 seconds because I actually want to get every angle of this particular prompt. Okay. So at this point, once you put in your prompt and you've put in your timer, just click on generate. Now, what is actually good here is this multi-shot is actually, it builds you a full scene like a movie. It goes, you know, where you generate videos and then your videos cut out in suspense and they don't add up, you know. This particular one just gives you that smooth move, that smooth motion into your videos. Do you get? So yeah, this too, you love it. This video is actually ready, the multi-shot. Let's check it out. Okay. Guys, can you see? Whoa. Oh my God. Tell me this was not directed by a movie director. Like you can never tell this is actually AI that generated this perfect move. Because you can see from the running time and everything, it is smooth. The camera focus, the movement, the motion. Bro. And what I want to tell you is you actually realize everything is done inside the Sedance 2.0. I did not move. Like I did everything in here. Okay, that is why I like to walk you guys through the step-by-step tutorials on everything I am teaching you. I just want you guys to see it yourself. Okay, so you do not need multiple tools anymore. Everything is literally inside this tool. Like everything is in here. You're generating your text to video, image to video, video to video, multi-shots, consistent characters. Like, if you really want to try this out, I will leave the link in the description box below. Just click on the description box, click that link and try this out because, bro, this tool is giving what it's supposed to be giving. 2026, you don't want to miss out, okay? If this is something you really like, okay? Ciao, ciao. See you in our next tutorial. It's a bye.